In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Meta Ads sales campaign with the Conversions API. First, sign into your Meta Ads account and open Ads Manager. Click Create to start a new campaign and choose the sales objective. Next, complete your campaign settings and move to the ad set level. In the Conversion section, select your website as the conversion location and choose the meta pixel that's connected to your website. Make sure your Conversions API is already configured and linked to the same pixel. After that, select the conversion event you want to optimize for, such as purchase, add to cart, or lead. Then configure your audience, budget, schedule, placements, and optimization settings. Now, continue to the ad level and upload your images or videos, write your ad copy, add your headline, and choose your call to action button. Review all of your campaign settings before continuing. Finally, click Publish to submit your campaign. Once it's approved, monitor your results in Ads Manager and use the data collected through both the Meta Pixel and the Conversions API to measure and optimize your campaign performance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Meta Ads sales campaign with the Conversions API. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.